what's going on, guys? It's me Dhanush here with our new video of our channel. So welcome back to a new video and of Minecraft survival guides. But in this video we are going to start a new series on Minecraft survival guides. We're going to build some amazing automatic farms just like that. Can you see how massive is that? Yes guys, you're hoping that yes, we are going to build this huge automatic zero-tick farm, sugarcane farm in this today Minecraft survival. This only works in Minecraft Bedrock and MCP versions. I think the Nether update is going to change all of this redstone, so you need to build it soon before the 1.16 comes. So let's start with our video. So if you want this automatic farm to be done in your Minecraft survival guides or creative modes, you need to go down and smash that like button and subscribe my channel, like and share it to your friends, and comment down below if you want some more like this TikToks and this hacks. This is pretty simple job, but it needs a lot of stuff, so I prefer doing it in a creative mode. But if you need this, you need to like this. If you need this in survival, oh, what's that piggy doing there? Get out, piggy! Don't ruin my redstones. Okay, if you want this to be done in your survival world, you need to go down and smash, so I can make this in survival world as well. So this is a pretty quick farm. Oh no! Why did I do that? Nothing matters. No, nothing is going to happen, guys. Nothing is going to happen, guys. Nothing. So guys, just as like that, I fixed the problem and nothing was a problem. So if you want this to be done in survival, you need to go down and smash that like button so I can teach you how to do it in survival with hard work. So if you just turn this clock on, this is simple clock. These clocks go and even attack in here to the observers and acts as a main brain. So the farm which we are going to build is going to be 17 blocks long and 5 blocks tall. So make a platform and be ready and see the reaction of this. So this works like this. So as the sugarcane grows by zero-ticking the water very fastly, the observers on that side reacts to the sugarcane and it receives a command and gives a command to the pistons to harvest the sugarcane. So you don't know, in 10 seconds you'll get around 1 stack. Sorry. And now I'm letting this run for I think 20 minutes and I got already 7 stacks. And we're going to be having 2 chests, 2 output chests, one here and one there. This is going to be slow because here's where the hoop hopper starts and it goes turn around. So when it turns around, it drops the sugarcane in here and see the reaction. We already have up to 10 stacks of sugarcane. So if you want to be done this in your world, make sure to stay tuned in the till the last of the video and be happy. Let's go. So guys, to start off with this farm, you're gonna need these basic tools for step 1. Step 1, you need some 2 building blocks, different ones, and a grass blocks if anything gets distracted, and a pistons, 2 hoppers, powered rails, normal rail, redstone blocks, and some glass. So let's start with our today's farm. So first you're gonna place a random building blocks here, and you're gonna dig out 2 down. And you also need a chest for the first step. Place a chest, double chest, and place an hopper over that and another hopper connecting to that. Then you have to dig down 4 blocks from the hopper. Then connect all of the hoppers to the first 2 hoppers. Then you're gonna leave 2 block space and place 2 redstone blocks. Then again 2 block space. Sorry for that. Oh no. Gonna need grass blocks in case if you miss any block or if it get disturbed with anything. So again you need to dig down 4 blocks place down hoppers. Then you need to leave the space, remove this hopper, dig down two, dig down two down, then again take the chest, place the another output chest here. Then you have to do the same thing which you done on this other side, like this, and then when it is done, you move on to the next step. You move on to the main step of placing these rails. So you know the simple glitch of this power rails. If you place one hand, if you place here, they get connected. So once you place like this, if you place like this also, they will get connected. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna place one here, one here, one here, like this. Then break that block again. Then break this block, place a normal rail, break that, place a normal rail, and move on, continuing till the last. So now you see the powered rails are powered. After you came to this end, you need to get back the minecart with hopper to come back and leave the items in the chest. So place down like this, so it turns well, and then continue again till the last. Hi sheep, how you doing? So now the hopper minecarts are all of them are in a correct manner. Now you need to place the main glasses, so nothing water comes in the way. Gonna place on both sides. You can choose any of the glass, but if you need a detail, you're gonna use this. And the next step is to add a platform where the sugarcane can grow. It can grow on sand or else grass. So I'm gonna use grass because it's very neat. So you're gonna leave this plank and this rail and this rail, and you're gonna place the block after 3 blocks from here. After you do that, you're gonna continue on both sides. So after that is done, after placing all of your grass blocks, the next step is pistons. These are only 4 pistons you're gonna place on both sides diagonal. So you get this on waterlogged and pushing the water back and forth, so the sugarcane goes well. So you're gonna do it in this manner in this side. Place some blocks, so when you put water, none of them goes outside. Go to this side, and you're gonna place like this on both sides, on edges of these glasses. After this is done, again place this glass so the water doesn't go. So after this is done, you need to get to a second step. So the second step, you need some blocks of quartz or any building blocks you like. I use this stone bricks, or you can use any of them, or water bucket, a glass block and another glass block, or you can also take another empty bucket, so if the water leaks anyway you can resolve it. And you're gonna cover all of this with glass, so when the water doesn't leak, gonna cover it all the way till here the end, and then break this because the glass all should be in the same pattern. Break that, and let's get on the other side. After this is done, you can finally place your water. After the water step is done, you're gonna to place the stairs. So you're gonna leave one space here because the pistons have to push the stairs to that side, and they have to both back and forth push the stairs. So you're gonna leave that. So after on the both sides it's done, so you can see all the water is logged. There's kind of glitching, but it's okay. Now you're gonna get this water on this side also in this manner, so the sugarcane goes well. So you know these guys can be placing like this, but you have to get these guys on all of the place, and all of them should be waterlogged, so nothing goes outside. So you need to go careful in this manner. If you miss any of these guys, the sugarcane will not grow. We can't plant it also, so you need to waterlog all of them and place carefully in the critical situation. So after this is done, you're gonna take this another glass, cover not this, cover this up, and you need to bring this glass all over the place. After this side is done, you're gonna take it on this side. Oh no, I didn't let it happen too much. So this is what happens if you lose this water. So you should be careful every time. I'm going to fix that soon. So see, it's fixed. You should never touch the wrong glass. So after this is done, you should do on the both sides. So when the both sides are covered with glass, you're going to place now water on. So if it's a critical situation, so stay calm and place water on every stairs like this. And also you can see when you place some water on this side, so you can see the water is collecting up in the glass. You can see. So after it's done on both sides, the water is logged on both sides. So the next part you go is on creating a clock. So this main step, you have to create a correct clock. So for that you need to break these blocks now for now, and take this, keep a building block here. For the next step, we are going to have some redstones. These are the things you need for the next step. Place a redstone torch here, place a block over it, and place a repeater on 2 ticks, and place 3 blocks in here. Place a redstone torch and connect it to the hole. But you need to leave this, break this block. Then after you do this, you can see the pistons have started vibrating, and in this side you need to do the same thing. You have to connect to that clock. After you have done this, you need to place a redstone torch for safety here. So you want to see both are ticking. This the clock, this becomes as a main brain of the cell, which have to be connected to the both sides. So we have to run this, and if you want to stop this, you have to take a lever, keep it here. This is the on and off switch of the farm. If you off it, the pistons automatically offs. And this is not AFK, you can leave it and go on save. If you go far distance also, this is going to work. So you place it here. So this, now it is connected to other pistons also. Now you need to get connected to the other pistons also. Place it there, and let's go to the other side. So now for the movement of the truth, if you see now, the farm should be working nice. So you see the stairs are pushing back and forth, and these guys will be doing it for infinity of this time. So now the farm is 50% done. The next step is to be done with the main harvesting. So the next step, you're gonna need some of observers, some of the glass for some of the glass. This is the main step, you should not miss this step. I'm gonna place this here, so it should be on the this side. So you're gonna place the observer here. So you're gonna place the observer here. The mouth should be facing towards here. Place a glass. Place this glass. After this is done, you need to create a clock for the observer. So for the sound, I'm going to off it off if you're getting irritated. So do like this, a T shape. Break this. Now you need to get on with the redstones. Now you need to set the redstone ticks correctly so that observer correct the logic of time it harvests the sugarcane. We're gonna keep it at 3 tick, this at 3 tick, keep a redstone, and the another redstone at 4 ticks. So this I kept it on these ticks, so it adjusted by the time of harvesting. So the next you need some pistons. So take some pistons, place it all over. After you're done with this side, place it on the other side. So now quite everything is done. Before planting the sugarcanes, what you need to do is you need to make the pistons work. The pistons work with connecting this side, but that side you need to build something different. So for this side you need an platform like this. like this, but this should be glass. Oh, this should be probably glass. So this we are gonna keep it on 3 ticks, and even this you have to keep it on glass. So because if we keep a normal block, the redstone can't go through the block. So if you keep glass, it can go through, and we have to activate the minecart also. So the minecart is not there, so we have to activate it. So for activating it, now after placing this, you're gonna place this and run it all over the other side of pistons. So after this is done, if you want to save the block, you can place blocks, but I'm going to leave that there. Then you have to place some blocks in this manner. So the redstones, have not seen any of them running out of there. So after you do like this, you can take an hopper. You can take an minecart with hopper. So once you take an sugarcane and do it here, you can see both of the pistons are working. So now what you're gonna do is like this. Make all the sugar canes here. After this done, you need to cover them with the glass. So this is covered. Now for the moment of truth, after placing this, I think the farm is done, guys. Now let's remove all of this. Okay, after this is done, guys, our farm is ready, guys. Our farm is ready. So if you want the switch, you now see the sugarcane grows, push. Then the sugarcane fall into the grass and goes collect in a hopper and to the chest. You see. So now I'm going to leave it and go here and enjoy with the villagers, and still the farm is working. So you can see the still farm is working if we leave a distance also. So there's not a AFK fishing farm or like a AFK farms. This the automatic infinity farm. It goes on working. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a pathway to my chest. Going to create a pathway for my chest. So you can see only 6 of them are here. If you want to connect it, you can take some chest, you can take some hoppers, you can remove that, place that, and if you place this, I think it is done. If you place this, if you do like this and place an hopper there, now you get on this and see when the sugarcane is harvested from there, you can move it to a different storage, and let's see on this side how much we have our sugarcane. So we have over a stack here, so I'm very happy. Both of the sides do not make the same speed of producing sugarcane, but they're efficient. So you see this is working very well. So if you like this video, guys, go down and smash the like button, subscribe my channel and share it to your friends, and turn on the post notification. You never miss my video. Comment down below if you want more redstones. Until then, peace out. Bye.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.